Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, letting you know why you should join my lead gen secret with our live online training team build. Already a My Lead Gen Secret member? Not a problem. You can still join our My Lead Gen Secret team build and enjoy all the following team builder benefits you will not find anyplace else. So here's what you receive when you join our online training team build. A free YouTube marketing video like this one you're watching right now, but with your My Lead Gen Secret affiliate link in the description of the video. You and our team will share your video throughout the internet. Plus you'll have access to other branded marketing tools such as this Facebook group where you can post your video, making it go viral. A Facebook chat bot that will automatically invite those who message you on Facebook to join your My Lead Gen Secret biz. You know who I'm talking about, those Facebook friends who try to sell you something in Messenger all the time. You'll also receive a free ad pack for your My Lead Gen Secret and a powerful traffic platform. Access to the live online training room where you can watch our team help build your My Lead Gen Secret organization in real time. Yes, you can invite your prospects for training and motivation and let our seasoned team build leaders train your new members. Also the opportunity to win Bitcoin. Now here are the benefits of the great Bitcoin giveaway contest. Register for free, earn entry points for doing simple tasks, several Bitcoin prizes to win, increase your odds of winning by visiting our live training room every day, finding new entry points. Also check your emails every day for great Bitcoin giveaway bonuses. No investment required to get started. Follow the arrow to join My Lead Gen Secret. Request your free ad pack. Gain access to the Facebook viral video marketing system. Locate, then use the Facebook Messenger chatbot to automatically share your affiliate link. Join the Bitcoin giveaway, request your free YouTube marketing video, and join our live team build training room. One last thing before I go. Be a good team player. Please subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell, like and share this video. Okay, you know what to do. Myself and our team will be waiting for you in our live training room, ready to help build your business.